Welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Canara mobile banking login error issues. If you are facing login error issue, this is video for you. Then I will show you simply and easy step to fix the problem and watch till it end. So the first step is check your internet connection. Sure your internet is working or not. Then turn your Wi-Fi off and on again. Then you also switch your mobile data. If these are not works, then turn your airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. And the second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. So the other step is check your username or email carefully, or check your password carefully. Turn off your app locks, and sometimes root details are the most common reason for the login errors. So the other step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the app update, Play Store or App Store, search for the looking app and tap update option if it is available. So the other step is check your server status. Sometimes the problem is not from your side, the app server may be down. Wait for some time and try again. So many users also face the same issues. And the other step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. So go to your phone setting, tap on apps and app management, select the apps or app list, then search for the app and tap on storage and cache and click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. So the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, uninstall the app and restart your phone. Install the app again from Play Store or App Store, and by doing all of it, this gives a free start to the app. If none of these helps, then you can contact to customer service of the app by going on help center, and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problems. If this video helped you, don't forget like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.